Greetings from Bangkok, Thailand. As you know, I'm traveling around Thailand looking for a place to live. And I'm looking at prices and all of that. This is a studio apartment in Bangkok. It comes furnished, refrigerator, AC, Thai style bathroom, and a nice little balcony with an amazing view of Bangkok. Awesome, right? So this apartment is 3,000 baht a month. That's about $95 in the US. In the US, my rent is over $1,600 a month. For 1 month's rent in my apartment in the US, I could live an entire year here. Amazing, right? Would you live here? Drop me a comment. Let me know. What the Thai people do in these apartments is they have electric hot plates and cookers and microwaves. That's all you really need. That's all I really need, anyway. So I would totally, completely, 100% live here, or somewhere similar in Thailand. And you can obviously set it up and fix it up any way you want. This is a very basic, useful setup for Thai people. I asked this Thai girl who lives in this apartment why she doesn't turn on the air conditioning. And she's only using fans. And she says that Thai people are used to the heat, and for turning on the air conditioning, it's a waste of money. Rarely does she turn on the aircon. So if you're living here, most likely you'll get used to the heat and eventually adapt. And the view from the balcony is really cool. Just sit back and watch Bangkok up and running. Wow. I'm at a friend's apartment, and she was kind enough to let me stay and have dinner. Welcome to Thailand. Something to think about. In Thailand, the average daily wage for laborers, and the minimum daily wage, I should say, is 300 to 400 baht a day. Now that's the minimum. I mean, it fluctuates, with different jobs, provinces, etc. But that translates to $9 to $12 a day in the U.S. There's a strange disconnect in the world. You have to really, really, really hand it to the Thai people for their diligence, resilience, and the means to overcome. They're always happy, and they love their country, and I love it too. So think about that when you're coming to Thailand and how you interact with the people. They are the most welcoming and beautiful people on the planet. I love Thailand. You should love Thailand. And I hope you guys are well. And continue watching me on my journey across Thailand, looking for a place to live. Drop comments, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, peace, love, and Thailand. Later.